The lawyer you choose for your DUI defense can make a difference in the outcome. A skilled, knowledgeable, and experienced lawyer can use proven strategies while tailoring them to your situation. They may also know which facts to assert that may persuade prosecutors to reduce or drop DUI charges. Many people accused of crimes do not know where to start their search for a criminal defense lawyer. First, not all criminal defense lawyers handle DUI cases. So the first step is to gather a list of lawyers who focus on DUI defense. You can gather names from many sources, including friends and family, a trusted lawyer who works in a different practice area, online legal directories, your local bar association, and search engines. Once you have a few names, you need to narrow down the field by contacting them and scheduling consultations. Many criminal defense attorneys offer a free consultation to potential clients. You will use these meetings to interview the lawyers, asking questions about their backgrounds and discussing how they'll handle your case. You need to balance several factors when interviewing lawyers. Some of these factors include the following: fair legal fees, communication skills, trust, experience, and track record. You should start by discussing legal fees during your initial consultation. Criminal defense lawyers may charge a flat fee or an hourly fee. Flat fees give you more predictable legal costs, but hourly fees are much more common. Additionally, a lawyer who charges a flat fee might limit the scope of work they will perform. Hourly fees are charged based on the time the lawyer spends on your case. These fees may make your legal costs less predictable, but this means the lawyer can adapt their strategy towards your needs as the case goes on. During your consultation, you should also be taking note of their communication skills. A lawyer's job is to communicate. Without strong communication skills, they cannot explain your rights and the options available to you, advocate for you with prosecutors, or effectively present your case to a judge or jury. As you ask your lawyer questions, listen for how clearly they explain the answers. If you can follow their reasoning, chances are good that prosecutors, judges, and jurors will also follow it. You'll also want to listen to your gut and decide how trustworthy they are during this first meeting. When the lawyer communicates with prosecutors, judges, and jurors, they must communicate persuasively. But when the lawyer talks to you, they must offer objective advice. You should have the full picture, both the good and the bad, so that you can make informed decisions about your case. Look for a lawyer who's upfront and direct in communicating the risks you face and the odds of losing your case. Discuss both the strengths and the weaknesses of your case. Avoid hiring a lawyer who sugarcoats everything or guarantees a win. All lawyers learn criminal law in law school, but only a few join criminal defense law firms to gain the training and experience needed to represent defendants. Any experience defending clients from criminal charges is helpful. However, you should look for a lawyer with a background specific to your charges. Someone who practices DUI defense has access to resources that will be helpful in these cases, such as knowledge of New Jersey DUI laws, connections with scientific experts to challenge the accuracy of alcohol tests, and familiarity with prosecutors who handle DUI cases. DUI lawyers also know which arguments work in the court where you face charges. Often, a skilled and experienced lawyer can raise enough doubts that the prosecutor will drop or reduce the charges. Successful lawyers have dozens or even hundreds of satisfied clients. You should look for lawyers who include examples of case results on their websites. You can also search for a lawyer's reviews, but be careful about the sources you use. Google, Facebook, and other public sources do not screen reviewers. As a result, disgruntled opposing parties can submit poor reviews by impersonating clients. Legal directories are often better resources because they either use reviews from colleagues or they verify that reviews have come from actual clients. A DUI conviction in New Jersey carries a high cost. You face a mandatory education program, a fine, and a driver's license suspension. Depending on your history of DUI arrests, you might face jail time as well. We understand what's at stake. Contact us to learn how we can help you with your DUI case.